It needs more seasoning, salt,
pepper, milk, and just about everything.
Nobody knows how to cook like me. How's it going?
I don't look good enough. My hair is ugly.
How does this thing work? Ah! Who the f*** left that thing on? I think it's time to have a nice shower. Nothing like taking a bath with your jaw. Lights and water going out. We gotta get back to our cooking show now that I look great. Welcome to yet another YouTube video. I have been here searching for a new, more entertaining job. Gotta have some whipped cream on the go, am I right? Alright, we're done with the whipped cream. Nothing like some tears of my students. Fuck you. Super male, more like super jail. You are my sugar, sugar, bow, bow, bow. Oh, honey, honey, let's add our sugar inside there, shall we? Wow. You know you want to make a meal. We gotta bake something really fast. Oh yes, something amazing. We gotta bake, bake. I'm horny for your meat. Beat it. I'm gonna make the scoop of nothing out of my snuffing. I'm snuffing. The soap is too cold. It's too cold. Who left the goddamn fridge open? Microwave something. Microwave it at 9,000 degrees. Make yourself a goddamn noodle and shut the goddamn door and bam. The microwave wasn't plugged in. Why wasn't it plugged in? Who did it? Some bread. Who wants bread? Fuck you. Nothing like the ice cream licking challenge. This wasn't even ice cream. Nothing like mayo. Nothing like milk. Nothing like son of a bitch. There's a party in the goddamn kitchen. All this food is so delicious. I can't wait to make all of it.
Look at this thick ass motherfucker. See, at that moment right there, that's when his thick ass knew he was original recipe.